Today you will learn how to create profit from Binance with 0% risk, which is wonderful. But for that, we need to have a verified Binance account. In the end of the video, I will reveal the secret of how to trade in the Binance every day and anytime you want to create profits. But for the beginners, let's teach how to create a verified Binance fast and quickly. For this, you need only to have a verified Binance account. The first thing you need to do before the massive profits, you need to visit the Binance website. At the second step, you need to find the register icon and click on that. Only thing you need to do is fill in your email address and wait for your verification Gmail. After verifying your Gmail, it would ask you to create a strong password to secure your assets. And every time you want to log in the platform, they will ask the password from you. The most important step you have to take in this new Binance account you are creating is to complete your verification, identity verification. So first, you need to upload your residence documents, ID card or passport. The next step is to fill in all of your personal details. To make the two-step verification simply, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your device. After you downloaded the application, you have to scan the QR code provided by the Binance. Now it's time to make our first currency deposit. You need to go to wallet. As I'm showing you, find the spot and fiat. In the next step, click on the deposit. So all you need to do is select the currency you want to pay and the payment method, like bank transfer, your credit card, your debit card, anyone is suitable for you. To check if the crypto is credited to your wallet, check your wallet. In the overview section, you will see the list of cryptos you're owning. Now it's time to reveal the top secret profit making from Binance platform. You are using the P2P option in the Binance platform. P2P option provides the ability to people sell and buy crypto to each other and from each other. P2P provide the opportunity to trade currencies and cryptocurrencies with everyone around the world. This type of transactions is so secure and so fast and safe. So let's get into it. You need to open your P2P profile. In your P2P panel, you can find different assets and two options of sell and buy. And you can find a list of prices there based on the currency you choose. To start our activity in this part of the market, we have two important sections. The first one is to transfer our funds in our funding wallet. You can find the assets you already purchased or transfer in your spot wallet. So let's begin to transfer our assets. It's important to know all the transactions will occur in your funding wallet. In this point, I want to add some information for who are beginners. This type of transactions mostly dealing the USDT or Tethers between fiat currency. Fiat currencies are the currencies you are holding in your country and using for your daily transactions. The Tethers every day have a different value. My suggestions for both beginners and professionals is to purchase and hold the tethers in the night with lower price and sell them in the early morning with higher price. In this strategy, there is no way you lose even $1, and it's the most secure and safe way in the trading world. So let's go into the second important section before making our first trade in P2P market. There is some rules and they are so simple. First thing is you need to have a registered Binance account for minimum 30 days. The second important point is to have authentication. You need to have minimum 20 transactions. By the transactions the application suggests to you. The next is you have to complete 80% of the transactions you created in the P2P market. And in the end, you need to trade with 10 different people minimum, which means you fill 20 trades, already you passed that. So now let's see, after passing all these steps, how to create our first ad in the Binance P2P market. Simply, only thing you need to do is to find the post new ad section in your Binance platform, which I highlighted for you. So this is all the information you have to fill. If you want to buy assets or you want to sell your assets, you have to provide the currency. You need to choose the currency you want to trade with, the amount you want to trade, and here you are. So this is our final point to create the ad. All the information you need to fill is to choose the currency you want to trade with, the amount you want to buy or sell, and the price that you will say. From now on, you can create fast and safe profit in the crypto market. Thank you for watching me. Wish you a profitable journey.
Down, down.